Okay, so here we already studied the characteristics of bryophytes, in which we have the clear reproductive structures on gametophyte, which is very much in contrast to the algae, because we don't have alternation of generation in algae very clearly. We have a haploid and diploid stage, but multicellular alternation of generation is seen in bryophytes. So concentrating, as you know, this slide is showing the liverwort Marchantia and Archegonium of Marchantia, Antheridium of Marchantia. Antheridium is the male sex organ. Archegonium is female sex organ. I want to say one important point here. This is one Antheridium, which I will be studying the structure now in detail. And the male gametes come out of the multiple Antheridia present in the structure. I'm going to show you one of these structures in elaborated. And archegonium will be like this only, facing down. The egg will be at the upper part and the opening of the archegonium will be facing down. It is upright. These sperms will enter through this opening to fertilize the egg. This is one important point. Now in one slide I shall discuss how one Antheridium looks. And how one archegonium, this one unit looks. So we will start with Antheridium. This is a very good picture which I got. As you can see, anthrozoid looks very intricate design, pretty artistic. Biflagellate anthrozoid, which is motile. So they come out of the Antheridium, they enter into the archegonium. Now what is the structure of Antheridium? You can see this is the stalk by means of which it is attached to the Antheridiophore. The point of attachment is stalk. Then you have too many androgonial cells. Androgonial cells will give rise to antherozoite. Andro is also male. So the cells which gives rise to antherozoite, these are like spermatocytes which give rise to sperms. Androgonial cells which give rise to antherozoite, the male gamete of the gametophyte in bryophytes, and that is Marchantia. Now I want you people to remember this character here. It is jacketed. This is protection to the sex organ because the plant came out of water and surviving. Got it? The plant came out of water and it is surviving. That's why the first adaptation bryophyte showed in terms of sexual organs, being amphibians of plant kingdom, is they have a protective cover of cells called as jacket, which encloses the male reproductive cells which gives rise to male gametes. Then you have something called as antheridial chamber. In antheridial chamber, I will have mucus. In the presence of mucus only, the antherozoites will mature. They mature to biflagellate antherozoites. Again, if you see, for the maturation of male gamete, it needs water in the surrounding. That is the reason when these cells produce male haploid gametes, these gametes will come here, then develop two flagella, becomes biflagellate mature antherozoite, and from here they escape outside and reach the archegonium for fertilization. This is the structure of antherozoite, antheridium, and you have to see what is the complete male reproductive structure in Mercantia. And here I showed one antheridium. I want you to remember three important points when you do this. Jacket, correct? And the gametes mature in the fluid antheridial chamber, and they have biflagellate antherozoites. This is important.